What is going on, everybody? Patrick Quick here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna go and try to get some underwater footage and also show you a little bit of some natural engineering, because there is a beaver that has made a dam here recently and is making its own ecosystem. The creek is drying up in certain areas because of it, but I wanted to bring you along so you could see it, and we're gonna try to catch a little bit of fish as well as trying to get the underwater footage. So the next time you see me, we're gonna be over there. There's a big old bullfrog. All right, so we're coming up to Mr. Beaver's work here. As you can see, he has built a natural little dam here. Nature's natural engineers at their finest. The thing is, it's so hot that there's not really been any water running off from the lake that feeds this creek. So even though he dammed it up to keep water in there, it's still receding, and it's still also getting very shallow in other places. So as much as he is doing this to benefit himself and make like a different type of ecosystem, with the temperature being the way that it is, it's kind of not working for the overall surrounding areas either. We do need some rain. When that happens, it will be a little bit better. But for now, this is what we have to deal with. And we're gonna go ahead and cast up into here and see if we can't get any fish before we try to get some underwater footage. The water is a little bit murky, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna be, but I brought an underwater, like full snorkel face mask, just so I can get in the water, be able to look in there while holding the GoPro to get the best footage that I possibly can. So I'm gonna set this mask down here. I'm gonna throw this big giant grub that I found in this Moon Eye jig and just see if anything happens. I'm borrowing my kid's Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2 because I had broken my Abu Garcia the other day. We're just gonna see what happens here. No action yet. Since I'm not really seeing too much action like in this little pool here where they usually are, they're more than likely up over there in the shade because it's so hot. So we're gonna walk up there a little bit on the bank as quietly as we can, like a ninja, trying not to make very much vibration, so we can see if we can't pinpoint where they might be and to see if they're hungry for this big jig. Ooh, got one. Got one. Oh, got the big one. Don't shake it, baby. Don't shake it. Oh, ow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stay still. Oh, man. It wanted it. Look at that. Choked it. Barely hooked. Came right out. Gonna get some water. Oh, that's a nice looking fish. That's one of the bigger ones out of here. Oh, such a lovely fish. I'd say that's easily a 2-pounder. Nice and hefty. It's got a little bit of a deformity on its mouth here. I haven't caught this one before. It looks like somebody might have ripped it and it healed back that way. I'm actually sorry for messing with the camera. We're gonna get an underwater release on this guy. Really amazing looking fish. Got him. Ooh, this one's a bigger one. This one's a bigger one and it's got some nice spots on it. Oh, it's not bigger. I lied. It just looked that way when it was coming in. Another nice fish. Choked it. Look at that one. Different fish. The mouth does not have that deformity on there. Really cool. He's got these black little spotting marks on him. I've never seen that kind of spotting. It's kind of like freckles almost, or maybe he's got something wrong with him. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can't go spot some of the bigger dudes before we get into the water. Because there's another spot up over here where they could be. Oop. Let's see if we can't skip and pitch it up over there. Oh, there goes a little bass. I just spooked it. Crap. There we go. Oh, something grabbed a hold of it. Something grabbed a hold of it. Got him. Got a bass. Oh, choked it. This isn't the one I'm after, but it's another one. Fish number 3 on this grub I found. Come on, there we go. Awesome looking fish. Oh, I see the monster. It just left. So far, I was able to get 3 nice bass and the underwater footage of their release. I'm gonna go up the creek a little bit of ways and try to use the snorkel to get some underwater footage of a bunch of bluegill that are spawning because I kicked up way too much sediment trying to catch that big bass that I had spotted that hit twice. So I'm not gonna be able to get the footage of the bass like I wanted to today, but I will come back to get that. But we will go try to get the bluegill. So the next time you see me, that's where we'll be.